Hello, my dear bakers. Let's talk about sugar. It's a key ingredient in almost every baking recipe. From cakes to cookies and even bread, sugar plays a crucial role. Sugar makes our cakes rise beautifully, giving them that perfect, fluffy texture we all love. It gives our biscuits a lovely crunch, making each bite a delightful experience. And of course, it makes everything taste delicious. Whether it's a delicate pastry or a hearty pie, sugar enhances the flavor. We all love a sweet treat. There's something magical about the way sugar can transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Sugar is a magician in the kitchen. It not only adds sweetness, but also helps in browning and caramelizing. It doesn't just add sweetness, it also helps in retaining moisture, ensuring our bakes stay fresh longer. It does so much more. From providing structure to adding color, sugar is indispensable in baking. It gives our bakes color and texture, making them visually appealing and delicious. It's truly a baker's best friend. Without sugar, our favorite treats just wouldn't be the same. Let's explore the wonders of sugar together. From its role in baking to its magical properties, there's so much to discover. Not all sugars are the same, you see. Each type of sugar has its own unique properties and uses in the kitchen. We have granulated sugar, the most common one. It's the go-to sugar for most recipes, from cakes to cookies. It's great for everyday baking because it dissolves easily and adds the perfect amount of sweetness. Then there's brown sugar, which has a lovely caramel flavor. This sugar is moist and adds a rich, deep flavor to your baked goods. Brown sugar is perfect for cookies and gingerbread. It helps to keep them soft and chewy, making every bite delightful. And let's not forget powdered sugar. It's very fine and often used for its smooth texture. We use it for dusting and making icings. Its fine texture makes it perfect for creating smooth, creamy frostings and for adding a decorative touch to desserts. Each sugar brings its own unique qualities to our bakes. Isn't that interesting? Understanding these differences can help you choose the right sugar for your recipe, enhancing the flavor and texture of your baked goods. Now let's talk about creaming. Creaming is a fundamental technique in baking that involves beating butter and sugar together until they form a light and fluffy mixture. This is when we beat butter and sugar together. The process starts with room temperature butter and granulated sugar. As we mix, the sugar crystals cut into the butter, creating tiny air pockets. It's like magic. The sugar creates tiny air pockets in the butter. These air pockets are crucial because they expand when heated, helping our baked goods rise. These air pockets help our cakes and cookies rise beautifully. Without this step, our baked goods would be dense and heavy. See how the mixture becomes light and fluffy? This texture is essential for creating tender and airy cakes, cookies, and other baked treats. That's the magic of creaming. It transforms simple ingredients into a base that can hold air and give structure to our bakes. It gives our bakes a light and airy texture. The result is a delightful melt-in-your-mouth experience that everyone loves. It's all thanks to sugar. So next time you bake, remember the important role sugar plays in creating that perfect texture. Have you ever noticed how sugar turns a beautiful golden brown when heated? That's caramelization. It gives our bakes a gorgeous color and a rich caramel-like flavor. Think of creme brulee with its crackly caramelized top, or the beautiful glaze on a freshly baked apple pie. Caramelization is like painting with sugar. It adds so much flavor and visual appeal to our creations. So the next time you bake, remember sugar is doing a lot more than sweetening your treats. It's pastry powerhouse. If you found this sweet science fascinating, give this video a like, share it with your fellow bakers, and don't forget to subscribe for more baking tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy baking!